Welcome to a video by Abron. This is an NPK analyzer. This is NPK analyzer, which is digital. This is power switch, and this tells you this one N, and this is potassium and phosphorus. And this is a probe. The three probes are there. It is very easy to use. You have to attach it here, attach the probe here or the power supply for charging, or you can attach the data. It is a data logger also. You can attach. Once I have to attach it, just match these pins, the bigger one on the bottom side and the smaller on the top side. Attach it, and then you can tighten these screws. I'm not tightening it because it is only demonstration. Then I push it in the, and then let it stable. It will become stable. The phosphorus milligram is in 93%, 97. Now it is 48% and 34 milligram per 1 kg of that. You can change the menu also. You can change the different menus. You can select and you can go back, and then you can go from here nitrogen. You can go to the another phosphate, another is potassium. This percentage tells you this is 98 unit is milligram per kg. This is the percentage. A power button, and there are other buttons also. For backlit, you can switch off, switches off and on backlit. This is backlit is by this button. It is working, you can see. And then there are other features also button. Then there are menu button and single point recording, start recording, stop recording, functions, storage, function A, unit switch, inquire, and policy, and return, go away, and confirmation. These are all menus which is available in manual. Complete manual is provided here. You can see there are full manual, all the parts, which are the parts, what are the different functions, how you can do, what are the probes attaching, and the panel. Keypad is push keypad. There are other buttons. This is a digital one. System setting and all these information is provided. Alarm setting is information. Data recording, how to do it. Basic display interface product, and this whole what display is there, what is the value. You can just see, very easy, portable, and it is very useful, and you can store it in the briefcase and clean it. These are all stainless steel parts. You can always clean it after use, and then cloth with a cloth, and then store. If you have to transport it, you can push it and keep it inside the briefcase. This is a portable briefcase provided. You can open this and then keep it in the, and this is a power on off switch. I can switch off, push it, and it switches off automatically. Thank you for using, and you can see our videos, different videos, and send us an Abron01. These are our WhatsApp numbers. You can buy from us by sending email or checking the website. These are the very useful. We have got another water and soil analysis kit also. We have got the chemical analysis kit also for small one, low cost capsule system or the bottle and liquid system. This is a digital one, latest new technology. Please visit the website and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.